Happy morning children, a pleasant welcome to Sheba Group online class. Children, today we are going to write our maths classwork. Students, everyone take your maths classwork, pages 288 pages maths ruled. Already we have written our maths classwork. Please take 288 pages maths ruled. Students, today we are going to continue our lesson numbers. Today we are going to write the exercise 2.4 book page number 36. Children, whenever we are writing, first we have to write the date. Children, where we have to write? In the margin. Write it as 11/9. Use only the blue stick pen. Children. Then cover the lines. Margin, first line margin, and leave the second line. Draw in the third line. Draw two lines to cover that. Write the lesson name as numbers. Lesson name as numbers. And after writing this, write the exercise 2.4 book page number 36 for your future reference. Write clearly, children. Exercise 2.4 book page number 36. After writing this exercise, leave one line. We are going to start from the second room letter. Write the following values in abacus. We are going to do abacus here. Write the following values in abacus. Leave a finger gap and write. So write neatly. Start with the capital. Write the two Roman number in the margin. Keep a full stop wherever necessary. After writing the headline, you can continue in the same line, children. If you don't have a space, you can continue in the next line. After writing the heading, leave one line. We are going to write the question now. Write the serial number 1 in the margin. Now I am going to read for you. 7 crores, 60 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 4 tens and 7 ones. I am again repeating. 7 crores, 60 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 4 tens and 7 ones. Leave a line, children, after writing the question. Now take your scale and sharpen your pencil. Now we are going to draw the abacus. So leave some lines. You can leave 5 or 6 lines to draw this beads. Leave 5 or 6 lines. After that, draw 2 lines, 8 columns. Clear, children? Draw 2 lines and draw 8 columns in it. So mention it as rows, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10 thousands, thousands, 100, tens, ones. Clear? In the next line, you have to mention the numbers. In the crores, they have given you as 7 crores. In lakhs, that is 10 lakhs, they have given 60 lakhs. So when we convert the 60 lakhs into 10 lakhs, it became the number 6. So 6, 10 lakhs. That means 60, 10 lakhs. Then 7 lakhs. Write the number 7 here. Now we don't have the numbers for 10,000, thousands and address. So leave this blocks blankly, and then in tens we are going to write the number 4, and in ones we are going to write the number 7. Now we can draw the beads now. So before that, draw the line neatly using your ruler and a pencil for each place value. Clear, children? Now draw the beads according to the numbers here. First we start from the crores. So what's the number here? 7. So we have to draw 7 beads neatly. So put the circle properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? Next in 10 lakhs, we have to draw how many ma? Yes, 6. Draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in lakhs, draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 10,000, 1,000, hundreds are blank. So we should not draw any beads there. Now in tens, what the number is this? 4. Draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in ones place value, what is the number? Yes, you are right, it is 7. Draw 7 beads neatly. If your pencil is getting blank, please sharpen your pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After doing this abacus, draw a line to make it as a complete thing. Students, now take a fresh page. We are going to write the place value of 7 and 4. So, write the serial number 2 in the margin. Place value of 7 and 4. Write by giving a finger space, children. So, they have given you a number here. After writing the heading, leave one line. Keep a finger gap in the margin and start from the margin. Start crores, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones by giving a finger gap. After writing this place value, you can start writing the numbers according to the place value written on the previous line, children. So for crores, you have to write 3, 10 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5, 10,000, 7, thousands, 8, hundreds, 9, tens, 1. For ones, 0. Now underline the number 4 and 7 because we are going to write the place value for 4 and 7. After writing this, leave one line. We are going to write the place value for 4 and 7. First write the number 4 hyphen. What is the place value for this, children? 40 lakhs. 4 for 4 place value 4 we have to write 40 lakhs. Clear, children? And after writing 40 lakhs, next line write the number 7 and for 7 70,000. 7 hyphen 70,000. Mention yes here or else it will get wrong, children. 70,000. After completing this, leave one line and draw a line with your scale and pencil. Now we are going to write the fourth serial number. Write 4 serial number in the margin. Write in numerals. They have given the number names. We are going to write the numbers for the number names. Clear, children? Write in numerals. Give finger cap and write. Spell it and write. Pronouns and write, children. After writing the headlines, you may draw a line with your pencil and scale. Leave one line. Put a serial number in the margin. Now with your finger gap, write 1 crore 40,004. I am again repeating 1 crore 40,004. Start with capital letter, children. After writing the question, you may now leave one line. After leaving a line, first you have to write the place values properly so that it will be easier for you to write the numerals for the number names. So write the place values: crores, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Now children, we are going to write the numbers for this number names. So what they have represent here? 1 crore. So in the crore place value we have to write 1. So there is no 10 lakhs or lakhs mentioned in the number names. For thousands they have mentioned you 40,000. So in 10,000 we have to write 4, thousands 0, hundreds 0, tens 0, and in ones they are given you the number name 4. So the answer is 1, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 4. Children, now we are going to write the B sum. I am going to read for you 64 lakhs and 3. If you have a space below the A sum, you may continue. Otherwise, take a fresh page and write, children. So 64 lakh and 3. Give a finger gap and write. We are going to write the numbers for this number names. Leave one gap. Write the answer in the margin. So first we have to write the place values. So we start from 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Because here no crores value, so we didn't write the crore here, ma. It is 0. The value is 0, so it is not necessary to write. So again I am repeating, we are starting from 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. So 64 lakhs. So 60 we have to write in a 10 lakhs place value as 6, and in lakhs 4, 10,000 0, thousands 0, hundreds 0, tens 0, and in ones we have to write 3. After writing this, draw a line with your pencil and scale. Students, we are going to write now the fifth sum. Write in words. They have given you abacus, so we are going to count the beats and going to write the numbers in as numbers names. Now look at the figure 1, children. So in crores it has 1, in 10 lakhs it has 2 beats, lakhs 1, in 10,000 3 beats, thousands no beats, in hundreds 4 beats, in tens 2 beats, and ones 2 beats. Students, now we are going to write the number names for that abacus I shown in you the book. So 1 crore, 21 lakhs, 30,000, 420. I am again repeating: 1 crore, 21 lakhs, 30,000, 420. Start with a capital letter. Write the serial number 1 in the margin. Keep finger gap and write neatly, children. Now we can see the figure 2 now. Now students, look at the figure 2. In crores it has 4 beats. In 10 lakhs 2, lakhs 1, 10,000s 3, thousands 3, hundreds 3, tens 2, ones 2. Students, we are going to write the number names for the figure 2. So before that, you may leave a line now. Write the serial number 2 in the margin. 4 crores, again repeating, 4 crores, 21 lakhs, 33,322. 4 crores, 21 lakhs, 33,322. After completing this, you may draw a line. Now take a fresh page, children. Students, now look at the 6th question, children. How many lakhs and hundreds are there in the abacus? That is figure 2. We are going to write the lakhs and hundreds. Now let us see the answer, children. Children, they are asking for the figure 2 lakhs and hundreds. So in figure 2, how many lakhs we have written? 21 lakhs. How many hundreds, children? 300. So now we are going to write the answer. Put the serial number 6 in the margin. Write the name as lakhs. LAKHS, lakhs, is equals to how many mark? 21. Write in number as 21. Now after writing the lakhs, leave that line, leave the left line, and start writing in the next line, children. Now we are going to write the hundreds. So hundreds, you have to mention S for hundreds because it is 300s. Equal to, write the number as 300s. Now children, we are going to do the 7th sum. Find the sum of greatest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. We are going to do the addition of greatest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. Come on, let us see. Children, first assume what is greatest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number is 9,999. In your early classes you have learned this. And smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. So we are going to do that. I am going to tell you how to write in your classwork now. See, write the serial number 7 in the margin. I am going to help you with the statement. Sum of greatest 4-digit is equal to. These numbers should be come in the other side of your margin. Clear, children? Children, whenever we are writing a word problem, we have to write the statement here and the numbers here. and mind it, don't write in a clumsy way, it will look horrible. Write neatly. The statement should be this side and the number should be written this side. So sum of greatest 4 digit, where you have to write, children? Yes, you are right. You have to write after the margin, and equal to number should be written after that margin, second margin. So give a space and write. After writing this first statement, you may leave a line. Now write the second statement. Smallest 5 digit is equals to 10,000. Write in a proper way, children, so that we can do the addition facts properly. After writing, use a pencil and your scale to draw these 2 lines. Clear? And now we are going to do the addition. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. So there is no number to add with 1. So write the number 1 as it is. So we get the answer 19,999. After completing this, children, you may draw a line with your scale and pencil. Don't use your free hands. It will look horrible. Make your note neat for your future reference and studying. After finishing all these things, write parent sign, which is a must one. Get your parent signature. Children, I hope everyone understand how to write your maths classwork. Whenever you are writing your classwork, you have to look at the numbers properly and write. Leave a sufficient space and write. Remind all the instructions I have told you. So thank you, children. Have a pleasant day.